Hello everyone. Once again welcome in our self-transformation series of 27th of July 2020. Yes, my dear friends, in this series we are here to imbibe a new thought. The thought which is going to transform us from inside and outside. This mere thought of transformation which we are imbibing right now while listening and even by taking into our thought level is going to make a change in ourselves. So, my dear friends, today, 27th of July 2020, the topic which we have selected is Be Your Own Fortune Maker. Yes, you have rightly heard that be your own fortune maker. Now, you must be wondering, how can I be a fortune maker? You must be thinking that fortune is in the hand of God. So how can I make my fortune? So now we are going to see that how this fortune is in our hand. See, my dear friends, the logic is really simple. As you have experienced the thought that fortune is in the hand of God, we truly agree to that. But here we are deciding something else. Initially, we never used to take God into consideration in each and every work or each and every thought. But since we are connected with this series, so we have observed from so many days that if we have this thought that He is connected with me in each and every work which I am doing, so actually we are connecting ourselves with Him. So this mere thought that He is with me and I am with God is the basic of this fortune which we have to make by our own. Since God is with me, since that supreme, that energy, then fortune maker, the bestower of fortune is with me. So now that key of making fortune is in my hand. Yes, my dear friends, you can experience this in this way that if our parents are with us and we do anything, so we do it in their guidance, their support, and they also show us the path of success that move in this direction because they are more experienced, they have already observed the things. And so for us, the path become easier and it become more and more informative to move on that same path which has been chosen by me under the guidance of my parents. So same way here, my dear friends, the fortune key is with you. It is in your hand, and now that supreme, the energy, that Father, that bestower of fortune is with you. So we have to just practice one mere step and we can be a fortune maker of our own destiny. The mere thought which we have to focus is that I am maximum time in soul conscious stage. Whenever we are in soul conscious stage, my dear friends, and doing anything, the energy level, the happiness content, the love factor, all the things which has been needed to live a healthy life, you automatically receive. But the moment you are a body conscious person and you say that I am doing this and it has not been possible without me, I know how to manage these people, they don't know, all these thoughts, when they come in our mind, these are the thought of body consciousness. And whenever there is body consciousness, we will suffer, we will have heaviness in our body, in our thoughts, and we cannot explore the freedom. So, my dear friends, what we have to practice to get this key of fortune in our hand? There are two practices which we have to do. Number one, the basic practice is that whenever we are doing anything, we should just stay in a soul conscious stage. Like if we are managing our family, we should say that God, this is your family being provided to me, I am taking care of them. If you are doing any task officially, just say to God in this remembrance that this is the task which has been provided to me by you and I am taking care. So just mere this thought will connect you with two things. Number one, to your own soul conscious stage, and number second, it will be connected to that supreme. And when these two things are connected together, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are planning will definitely be in your fortune. So it's so simple, my dear friends. Yes, we all can be a fortune maker. Why are things which we actually plan is not successful? The answers lies here. The answer to this is that we have decided those things in body conscious stage, or we are asking from those things which is going to affect others because of the body consciousness nature. We are planning or we are desiring something to prove someone because of ego, because of any phobia or guilt. So in this way, there are so many reasons where our aim is not been achieved by us because of this failing. But once when we have taken our aim and we are thinking in soul consciousness stage, you will definitely be the fortune maker of yourself. So just go ahead, just be with yourself, just explore your inner consciousness and ask this question and repeat it again and again and then practice it. In this way, this